Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Amazon SES automation for AI email segmentation, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Amazon SES automation for AI email segmentation, begin by logging into your AWS. Navigate to the Amazon SES dashboard. Verify your email addresses or domain in the SES console. Click on email addresses or domains under the Identity Management section. Follow the prompts to add and verify your email addresses or domain. Once verified, access the SMTP settings under the Amazon SES dashboard. Create a new SMTP credential by clicking on Create My SMTP Credentials. Download the credentials file as you will need it for your email client setup. Next, set up an Amazon S3 bucket to store your email data. Go to the S3 dashboard and create a new bucket, giving it a unique name. Adjust the permissions to ensure it is accessible for SES. Now, navigate to AWS Lambda in the Management console. Create a new Lambda function using the Python runtime. In the function configuration, set the trigger to your S3 bucket. Write the code to handle incoming emails and filter them based on your segmentation criteria. Implement any necessary AI models for advanced segmentation within the Lambda function. Deploy the Lambda function. After deploying, ensure that your S3 bucket is configured to trigger this Lambda function upon new email uploads. Now, set up an Amazon SNS topic for notifications. Go to the SNS dashboard and create a new topic. Link this topic to your Lambda function to receive alerts on email processing. Next, test the entire setup with sample emails. Send test emails to verify that they are correctly processed and segmented. Check the S3 bucket to ensure the emails are stored as expected. Monitor the execution of your Lambda function through CloudWatch logs for any errors. Adjust your Lambda code for any necessary improvements based on testing results. Finally, confirm that your segmentation is working as intended by analyzing the segmented data. This completes the installation of Amazon SES automation for AI email segmentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.